This is something that I felt like rings true to me, not just from a performance engineering perspective. It's sort of this the difference between getting a result and feeling like it's good and sort of like we did it. The difference between that and the additional almost kind of insanity level kind of work you have to do to understand why. Like oftentimes that takes a lot more tenacity and overcoming some challenges to get to that explanation that I think most people are sort of I'm not going to do that work because that's just you'd have to be a crazy person to go and spend that much time to understand that. But I think that's like I think I've noticed not only in performance optimization but just finding problems, explanations for problems to begin with. Often you'll see sort of this optimized sort of thinking of like, oh, this is probably it. But then you actually go dig in, like, well, wait a minute, there's actually more going on here that explains the root cause and sort of understanding that why. I feel like, yes, I see the same thing. That sort of is what differentiates maybe that someone that's just starting out versus someone that's, been there, has been hurt by that, so many times that they think, hey, we need the explanation before we can say we've done it. So I think that's like a wonderful explanation. That makes perfect sense to me.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
many times.